and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about why you're not growing on TikTok and what you can do about it to change it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. The first thing you might be doing wrong is posting inconsistently or not posting enough. A lot of people think that you can kind of go on TikTok and maybe post one video today and then 1 week from now, and then maybe 3 in the next week. That's not gonna work. People honestly love to see daily content on TikTok, and the more content you post, the more chances you have of being found on TikTok. A lot of the views that I actually get on my videos are not actually from my followers. They're actually, in fact, a lot of views from the For You page. So the more videos I'm putting out, the more people that are gonna be finding my platform, and more people are gonna wanna follow me and engage with me. Now, I think the sweet spot number for how many you should be uploading a day is probably like 3 videos a day. There are constantly new videos coming out saying you need to be uploading 5 times a day, 10 times a day, 1 time a day, 2, 3, 4. Do what works for you, but make it consistent. That's what I'm gonna say. I would highly suggest 1 a day at minimum, but if you can do more, you'll be fantastic. So strive for at least 1, but if you can shoot for like 3 a day, that would be the perfect number. The second reason you may not be growing is because you're not tuning in and taking advantage of trends and trending sounds. Trending sounds and trends are literally what you're constantly seeing when you watch the For You page. You might see and hear the same song over and over again, or the same dance, or the same funny joke, or same type of content. And the important part here is that you're not going to be copying what other people are doing, but you need to take the trend and apply it to your own niche and what you're talking about on TikTok. Which, by the way, if you don't have a niche or a specific talk about, we got to get on that too. Take the trends that you're seeing, those funny audios, and apply it to your own brand or your own business and use them. Use the trending sounds, use the trending dances, use the trending topics that are out there. You can literally go and look at what's popular right now on TikTok and then just start recreating those videos. The third reason you might not be growing is because of hashtags. You're either using the wrong type of hashtags or you're using no hashtags. So let's talk about it. Hashtags should be used on your video, first off, and you should be using about 3 hashtags per caption. These 3 hashtags need to be related to whatever it is that you're posting. So if it's a trend, a trending sound, a specific topic, or something that you're sharing, use that hashtag to describe what it is. This is going to help TikTok to categorize your profile and you as a brand first off, but it's also going to be able to help put your content in front of people who want to see it. It also gives you a third way of people to find your content. People can find your content by following you and either checking on your profile or seeing it in their following feed. They could find you on the For You page, or they could go to the search bar and actually search for the hashtag that you used on your video and find your videos that way. It's another great opportunity to have a lot of new eyes on your content and hopefully gain some new followers. The fourth reason is that you're deleting videos when they don't do well. Stop this. Don't do it. It's not helping your TikTok account. TikTok does not like this. They may even shadow ban your account if they see this, and it's a big no-no over on TikTok. If your video doesn't do well, literally even if it gets 0 views, don't delete it. Just leave it. Just leave it, because you never know when TikTok is going to pick it up in the algorithm and reshare it out. I've had videos that I posted over a year ago get picked up by the TikTok algorithm and starting to get looped around again, and people are finding it and commenting on it. So don't delete something that didn't get the good views or didn't match what you thought it was going to. Leave it up there, see what happens, and I promise it'll be a-okay. It's not going to actually deter people from following you anymore, unless it's like weird or breaks the rules of TikTok. And in that case, you should probably not have posted it. And the fifth reason is that you're not utilizing TikTok to its fullest. This is something I see a lot where people just want to post a video and then turn off the app and run away from it. What you should be doing instead is engaging with your followers, with your people who are commenting on your videos. You should be engaging with people within your niche and who share similar topics and just other videos in general. And you could be using features like going live or posting on stories and so many more so that you're actually getting the full advantage of TikTok. TikTok. TikTok loves to see this. It helps with your engagement, and hopefully it's going to drive more people to your profile as well. Question of the day for you guys. What do you talk about and share on TikTok? Let me know what your niche is down below in the comment section. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Right here in the screen for you, I'm going to link another video I think you'll find helpful, as well as an entire playlist full of other ones just like this. Down here, you're going to find my subscribe button so you guys can stick around for more videos. And lastly, you'll see a second subscribe button, which is to my lifestyle channel. So if you want to see fun content like Amazon Find, Shop With Me, and more, you're going to want to go over there. Without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.